Alright, I got a few requests for this mani inspired by Mrs. Colorberry on Instagram. And what I did was I started with a black base. And for this I used Revlon Black Magic, which is a really nice black from years ago, which unfortunately you can't find. With it, I use Sinful Colors Force Field, which is a green magnetic polish. Then Wet n Wild Fast Dry, the Gold and the Beautiful. And then I also use this metallic gold Sharpie as well. So this mani is pretty easy, actually. I experimented with a few different things with it, but it's what I ended up doing is pretty easy. And I learned some stuff doing it too. So for this one, I'm doing that design, which is sort of half and half. And it, again, doesn't have to be perfect. And you put magnetic on a portion here. And depending upon how opaque your magnetic polish is, okay, might need a little bit more. And then over onto the other side. And here I'm leaving a little bit more space than I did when I did this originally, just because I want the gold lines to be a little bit more prominent against the black and not cover it up entirely. So that's the first portion. Then I'm going to add a little of the gold glitter, and really these are the colors that I chose because I thought they were the closest of what I had to the original resin geode table that Mrs. Colorberry did. But you can do these in whatever colors you want. You know, the gold glitter you use doesn't really matter. And then I just added a bit. Again, however you want. And again, I overdid it a bit in my original mani, I think, and I think less is more here. Okay. And then the next part is this Sharpie pen. And I only picked this because I thought it'd be easier to draw lines this way. And I would normally give this a little bit of time to dry. The black base is dry for sure, but the others isn't. So I sort of need to be a little bit careful here. Sure the pen is working. And then just draw lines around it. Okay. And there you go. I mean, really easy peasy on this. Now, the only thing that I noticed is that metallic pen tends to run, which was fine for the look that I wanted, but if you really don't want it to run, you want to give that a lot more time to dry. But for this, it's fine, and I don't mind that it runs a bit. So I'm gonna put a nice thick coat of top coat on, because now I want to apply the magnetic to it. And that's where the magic sort of happens here. Okay. And there you go. Hopefully you can see that. And then for this magnetic, as that dries, the lines will disperse quite a bit, but you can still see the magnetic effect there. But that's how I did that. Thanks for watching.